here's the architrave gauge that I made. There's various different ways, but with this one, you just put it up there, mark there, all the way down for the same, obviously on new build. I've got 44mm there, so when you're hanging the door for fire check, you can stick that there. There's your 44mm line, and 35, because some of the others are only 35, not fire check, down there. So then I can mark out all the architrave, bang nails in, or sometimes like put a bit of timber there if it's a nice face door, put the door against, and get it all with that then. So it's just 2 bits of wood, that's all it is glued together, 2 bits of timber. So that's your thickness gauge.
That's your margin.
And then when you're hanging the door down there, so you do that, and then you either put a bit of timber there, or like I've got some nails there, and then you can lean the door against that just for looking at it, ready for marking the hinges out.